Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you a sheet mask which is very good for plus 30 and for 18 plus also. It's a very good sheet mask. It helps to reduce our wrinkles, and the sheet mask which I'm going to review is Urban Color by Modi Care. Okay guys, so I will show you how to use it, what are the benefits of using it, and when to use it, and how. Okay, so first I am showing you what are the benefits of using this. So this is a Urban Color Pro White Advanced Anti-Wrinkle Nourishing Sheet Mask with collagen. It is made in Korea. So collagen is very good for your skin. Collagen is known to improve the elasticity of your skin, and it will visibly reduce the wrinkles around your eyes. People who ever have saggy skin, it helps to give you a firmness in your skin. It's a very good sheet mask, and it's written over here, it's anti-wrinkle and nourishing sheet mask with collagen. It's a very hydrating sheet mask. So a sheet mask that helps to renew and regenerate dry and dull skin. It will help to remove your dead skin also, and it will nourish the dry skin. Many people have very dry skin, so it will really hydrate your skin. And the collagen ingredient known to improve the elasticity of your skin. I told you the collagen inside this, it helps to improve your elasticity of your skin, and it will help to moisture and improve the elasticity of your skin, and help to give you a clear skin whole day long. This is very eco-friendly. It's local. You have to buy local products, so it is a local sheet mask, and it's eco-friendly. It's moisture rich and deep absorbent, and its fiber structure is smooth, so it does not irritate. Even the sensitive skin people can use it. Anybody, any skin type people can use it. It's a very good sheet mask. This retails for 200, and it has collagen inside. It's an anti-wrinkle and nourishing sheet mask, so you should give a try. And so it's a Pro White Advanced Anti-Wrinkle and Nourishing Sheet Mask, so it will give you a whitening effect and a glowing effect also. They have two sheet masks in this. One is with collagen sheet mask, and one is with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel sheet mask is also very good. If you want me to review that, please let me know in the comment section below. I will do a review on that. And when to use it? You can use it before going for a party, before going for a night out or something, or going out for a dinner, or for a special occasion. Before going there, you can use this sheet mask. The best time to use it is in the night. You can apply the sheet mask and then remove the sheet mask, keep it, and go to sleep applying the serum which is inside this. And in the morning you can wash your face. You will see your skin will start glowing, and you will feel very hydrated. It's a very good sheet mask. It's very hydrating on that. And I will show you how to use it and what are the effects of using this. You will see yourself. So I will show you now how to use this. Okay guys, I'm showing you how to use this. You have to take this, just cut it. You can see it has a lot of serum inside. You have to just open this. You can see it looks something like this. Now you have to apply it on your face. So I'm just applying it. Okay guys, so I've I have kept the mask for 20 minutes. I'm removing the mask. I've removed the mask. It's real. It has the serum. Now also it has the serum inside. So you can see my face. You have to keep the serum rubbing inside your face. I have removed the mask. Now I've kept the skin like that only. So now I have too much serum in this. So the mostly people have many questions about sheet mask. So I'll give you the answers about that. Now, should I throw the serum inside the packet which is left over? No, you should not throw the serum. You should just store in a container. I'll just show you. There's a lot of serum inside this, so why you should throw this? You should use this serum. So guys, this much serum I got from the packet. So you should not throw the leftover serum. You should take in a container and store it. You can store this serum. The mostly frequently asked question is, can I reuse the mask? No, you should never reuse the mask, because you are introducing the bacteria which is present after using it. So you should never reuse the mask. Don't do this, because it will really cause acne to your skin. So never reuse the mask. The frequently asked one more question is, should I wash the face after using a sheet mask? No. You should never wash your face after using a sheet mask, because the sheet mask gives you very hydrating and nice effect. So when you wash your face, the effects will be gone. And after removing the sheet also, it benefits the skin. So don't wash your face, keep it like that only. Let the serum soak in your skin and get the best benefits of the sheet mask. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and the information was useful for you. If you have any question regarding this, please write in the comment section below. I'll just try to answer all of them. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and this is a local brand, so I promote you to buy this. Go and buy this. It's a very good product. It will help to reduce your wrinkle. And please share my video, subscribe to my video, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy.